the same sun, we're born to dream. Different lands, but hearts that gleam. Every smile a story untold. Every soul a piece of gold.
No walls can hide the light we share. One hope, one breath, one prayer.
We are one human soul. Colors fade, but love will glow. Hand in hand, we'll heal the world we know. Together strong, one human soul. From east to west, the song will rise. A harmony that never dies. Cultures bloom in every hue. The world's alive because of you.
Close your eyes and feel the sound. Hearts are beating all around. See with love not where we're from. We all shine beneath one sun.
We are one human soul. Beyond the line, beyond control. Let the light of kindness take its role. We'll rise as one.